Now our topic is maxima and minima. From maxima and minima we will guess 2 marks for 2 questions. Okay. Once again I am telling, please remember, for every question you should follow the method. For every method, choose a method, and for any question you should practice number of problems. Okay. Thank you. Let f of x equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x plus 7 is increasing on or decreasing on or decreasing in 0 comma infinity, increasing in minus infinity comma 0, increasing in 0 comma infinity, and decreasing in minus infinity comma 0. Okay. At the first we need to know what is the decreasing and increasing. Here f of x is a function. If f dash of x is a less than 0, less or equals to 0, then the function should be decreasing. Okay. If f dash of x less than 0, the function is a strictly decreasing. If f dash of x greater or equals to 0, the function is a increasing. Okay. So f dash of x greater than 0, strictly increasing. Remember. Okay. Now what about this function? Here f dash of x equals to 3x square minus 6x plus 5. Yes or no? Now suppose here 3 is a common here x square minus 2x plus, suppose here 5 should be right like this, 3 plus 2 is a 1, and also remaining 2 here. Shall I write like this? Definitely. 3 into 1, 3 plus 2 is a 5. Okay. Now this is nothing but x minus 1 whole square plus 2. Okay. Now it is a positive, definitely square, so greater than 0. The function should be f dash of x greater than 0. Then it is a strictly increasing or increasing or anywhere. Okay. First option. Okay. Please follow this. And also now the condition for f of x equals to x cube plus 3px cube plus qx plus r to have no extreme value is. Okay. Let first of all we can finding the f dash of x equals to 3x square plus 3px square, 3x square plus 3p, sorry it is a square actually, 2px plus q. Okay. Now r is a constant, so that is a 0. No extreme values. Okay. Means now we can taking the real values like this. First of all, real values. Here x belongs to r. For x belongs to r, discriminant greater or equals to 0. Yes or no? Okay. Discriminant greater than 0. First of all, you can taking discriminant greater than 0. Now applying discriminant, b square minus 4ac less than 0. So b is nothing but 2p whole square minus 4 into 3 into q less than 0. Okay. Because of equal is not there, so that's why you can take only the greater than 4p square minus 4 into 3q less than 0. Because of 4 dividing with 4 is a cancel, p square less than 3q. Okay. Now right option is 4th one. Okay. Okay. Let us go with more problems. The minimum value of f of x and also here the maximum value of f of x given function. So first of all we need to know about the function. If the function given function, for stationary points we should find the f dash of x and equals to 0. Then we will get the stationary point x equals to, and also finding again the differentiation of f dash of x. So overall we can finding f double dash of x. Okay. Suppose f double dash of x is the less than 0, then the function has maximum value. Okay, when it is a less than 0. If f double dash of x greater than 0, the function has minimum value of 0. So how to find the maximum and minimum? Then the stationary point should substitute in this f of x. After we will get maximum or minimum. When we know the x value if suppose substitute in f of x, then we will get maximum or minimum value. But how to know that is a maximum or minimum? After getting f double dash of x is a less than 0 or greater than 0, depending on these signs. Okay. Let us do the problem. Let f dash of x equals to 2x plus minus 250 is a constant, leave that is x square. 1 by x differentiation is a minus 1 by x. Okay. Taking 0 equals to 0. Then 250 by x square equals to 2x. Clearly 125. X cube equals to 125, then x equals to 5. X equals to 5. Leave that. It is a stationary point. Okay. Now we know f of 5 equals to what? F of 5 equals to 5 square plus 250 by 5. 5 is 50. 25 by 50. 5 square plus 50. It is a 25 plus 50. It is a 75. That is a maximum or minimum value. Definitely answer will be the 75. But we have to check that is a minimum or maximum. How to check that one? F double dash of x equals to what? It is a 2 minus plus 2 by x cube into 250. Okay. 2 plus this is a 500 by x cube. Suppose in the place of f double dash of x is a 5, then that equals to 2 plus 500 by it is a 5 cube. Definitely it is a positive, yes or no? We need that is a positive or negative. So f of x has minimum. Okay. Minimum value, that is nothing but 75. Okay. This same process applying here. The maximum value of f of x equals to minus x square minus 8x plus 17. Okay. And f dash of x equals to minus 2x minus 8. Simply that equals 0. Then 2x equals to minus 8. Yes or no? Okay. Now, yes, minus 2x. 2x plus 8 equals 0. Then 2x equals to minus 8. Okay. 2x equals to minus 4. Substitute minus 4 equals to minus 4 whole square. Minus of minus 4 whole square minus 8 into minus 4 plus 17. Okay. Minus of, now it is the 16 plus 32 plus 17. Okay. Minus 16 plus 49 35. Sorry, 30. 35 is our right option. Okay. No need to check that is a maximum or minimum. Yes or no? Because of we have values only. Okay. If L square plus M square equals to 1, then the maximum value of L plus M is 1 root 2, 1 by root 2, 2. What is this question? this is a function is a L square plus M square in LM. We have to find the maximum value of L plus M. For this type of questions, we can apply different strategy. Here, L equals to taking cos theta and M equals to sin theta. Okay, because of the function in only one variable like this. F of theta equals to, because of cos theta and sin theta satisfies the equation, yes or no? So that's why you can taking LM values like this. Okay, F of theta equals to cos theta plus sin theta. Okay, now for maxima and minimum, you can taking what? F dash of theta. So it is a minus sin theta plus cos theta. Okay, taking equals to 0. Then sin theta equals to cos theta. When sin theta equals to cos theta, for theta equals to pi by 4 satisfies the even equation. Okay, so no need to find f double dash of t, because of we have values only. For maxima and minima, we can taking the stationary points like this. Okay, so theta equals to pi by 4, substitute in f of t. Then we will get what? Cos pi by 4 plus sin pi by 4 equals to 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. 2 by root 2 equals to root 2. Okay, option 2. Now, sixth one. If a greater than 0, b greater than 0 and a plus b should be pi by 3, then the maximum value of tan b tan is 1 by root 3, 1 by 3, 3, 1 root 3. Okay, simply here no strategy can be applied here. Just observe here, a plus b equals to pi by 3, then which one is the satisfy the given equation? Suppose tan a equals tan b equals 1 by root 3, 1 by 3, 3 root 3. Which one is satisfied by this condition? Simply a plus b equals to, suppose a equals to pi by 6, then b equals to pi by 6. I take hint is the a equals to pi by 6, b equals to pi by 6. Definitely these are satisfied the given equation. Yes or no? So tan a tan b equals what? Tan a tan b equals to pi by 6, tan pi by 6 and tan pi by 6 equals to tan square pi by 6 or tan 30 equals to 1 by root 3 and also 1 by root 3 equals to 1 by 3. Okay, our option is second one. Okay, these are similar to each other. Okay, let us do more. The longest distance of the point a comma 0 from the curve 2x square plus y square minus 2x equals 0 is given by which one? Which one is the longest distance of the point from the curve? Suppose the point a comma 0 here. So the distance to the curve like this, it is a x comma y side. Okay, then x equals to the root x minus a whole square plus y square, yes or no? Y minus 0 whole square. Here s square equals to x square, a square minus 2x plus, in the place of y square equals, shall I write like this? 2x minus 2x square, yes? Now all are in x's, variable x. Now s square equals to, it should be minus x square. Now here suppose 2x common, then minus 2x common, then it is a minus 1 plus a square. Okay, now differentiating 2s ds by dx equals to minus 2x, it is a minus 2 into a minus 1, it is a 0. Okay, now let that one equals to 0 for getting the points. Minus 2x equals to 2 into a minus 1, 2 get cancelled, then x equals to 1 minus a. Okay, now x equals to 1 minus a, substitute in s. Okay, here ds by dx equals to 0. Okay, as usually that is a 0. Okay, x equals to 1 minus a, s equals to 1 minus a, then substitute in s. S means this one. First of all, we can substitute in this. S square equals to rs. S equals to what? X equals to 1 minus a. 1 minus a whole square plus. Then y equals to actually 2x minus. Okay, 2. 1 minus a minus 2. Okay, right here. Minus 2 into 1 minus a whole square. Okay. Then s equals to simplify. After simplifying, minus 2a whole square plus 2 minus 2a plus minus 2 into 1 minus a whole square. Okay. Lengthy simplification. Under root 1 plus 4a square minus 4a. Now it is the plus 2 minus 2a. Minus 2a into 1 plus, that means 2 plus, not a plus, minus 1 plus a square. So 2 minus 2a square minus 2a. So plus 4a. 4a get cancelled. 2 to get cancelled. 2a square. 4a square minus 2a square is 2a square minus 2a plus 1. So our option is right one, that equals to 1 minus 2a plus 2a. Okay. Now, the shortest distance of 0, 0 from the curve y equals to given. So here we can taking like this, y equals to cos hx. It is nothing but cos hx, yes or no? Here also same. From the point O to any point P x comma y on the curve, let OP equals to what? Clearly x square plus y square, yes or no? Okay, x square is nothing but x square plus y square should be cos hx. Now total function in f of x, function in x. Okay, so f dash of x equals to what? 2x plus, now this is the sin hx. Okay, 2x plus sin hx, cos hx, y square equals, cos h square x should be 2 sin hx, 2 cos hx, 2 cos hx and sin hx. Okay, 2 cos hx, and cos hx differentiation is the sin hx. Now it should be 0. Okay, because of we need point 2x plus sin h2x equals to 0. Okay, definitely it should be x equals 0, because of x equals 0 satisfies this equation. Okay, then x equals 0. Okay, x equals 0 satisfies the equation, then x equals to 0 substitute our given function, this function substitute, then we will get what? It is a 0. Now it should be 1. Okay, so 1. Our answer is fourth one. Okay, I hope you can understand this. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe and share, and also comment in my comment box. Thank you so much.